Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce of pizza easy method. Begin by heating olive oil and gently sautéing minced garlic until fragrant, then add crushed tomatoes. Stir in salt, a pinch of sugar, and torn basil leaves, and simmer gently for 20 minutes until thickened. Taste and adjust seasoning, then cool slightly before spreading on pizza dough for a fresh, vibrant base. In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce of pizza easy method. Gather 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of sugar if needed. Have fresh basil ready to finish the sauce and a small pot for simmering. Preparing ingredients ahead keeps the process smooth and helps you control flavor and texture easily. In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce of pizza easy method. Quick recommendation: while you're tasting and stirring, keep a reliable eau à la water bottle nearby to stay hydrated and avoid sauce splatters on your shirt. It's a small kitchen lifesaver and fits in cup holders when you dash out to the store for basil. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce of pizza easy method. Start by gently sautéing garlic in warm olive oil until it smells fragrant, then pour in crushed tomatoes and bring to a low simmer. Let the sauce reduce for about 20 minutes while stirring occasionally, then stir in torn basil and adjust salt or sugar to taste. Cool slightly before spreading on dough for an even, flavorful pizza base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.